Welcome to Tidal Talks.
In the deep blue sea where the mysteries hide lies a world unknown beneath the tide. Marine biology, the study so grand, exploring ocean secrets, understanding the land.
I'm Nancy.
I'm Mia. This is podcast number 1, introducing our cause. We spent a semester in our marine biology class studying the habitats, species, and environments of the ocean. We've learned about coral reef habitats, marine vessels, climate migration patterns, and many other amazing parts of ocean life.
However, with all these great things, there are also many downsides. Coral reefs are bleaching, plastic is polluting the water, migration patterns are being disrupted, and the list goes on. This is where our podcast comes in.
Hey Mia, what's our assignment this semester?
Our assignment this semester is to bring awareness to one major threat to ocean life. Nancy and I live in Newport Beach, where we're always at the beach or near the bay. We see how many boats are out in the water every day or sitting at docks year-round.
We decided to use this observation as a basis for the cause we'd study. By reading different articles and combining what we've learned in class, we ended up deciding to study all the ways boats and ships damage the ocean environment.
Not only do boats pollute ocean areas like Newport Beach, they damage habitats around the world, both animals and environments. Their effects hurt more than just the ocean because they produce a significant amount of CO2 emissions and are often responsible for oil spills, which both contribute to global warming. In the next podcasts, me and Nancy will give more research, but we just wanted to do some statistics to show how harmful shipping is. In the 2010s, approximately 164,000 tons of oil were lost from tanker spills of 7 tons and above, and that was a 95% reduction since the 1970s. 12% of oil in the ocean can be sourced from accidental spills from ships. Lastly, shipping emits 1,000 megatons of CO2 per year, which is 3% of global CO2 emissions. This is only one factor of the harmful effects of shipping. We also have to look into how ships affect the migration patterns of certain animals.
But because we are here in Newport, let's start with the damage we personally experience. If you take a trip down to the bay, you can see the amount of oil and gas in the water. The wetlands are full of chemicals that damage the environment and those living in it.
Now looking further, let's go over the places affected by ships globally. Because ships spend so much time closer to the coast, coasts are suffering most. Habitats such as salt marshes and coral reefs are facing damage due to the oil, gas, and overall high CO2 emissions.
Habitats further in the ocean are also experiencing problems due to ships. For example, whale migration patterns are also being disrupted by the noise pollution of ships. When whales can't accurately migrate, it messes up the whole natural flow of the ocean and the food chain.
All of these are just a few of the major damages ships and boats have in not only our ocean but in the world. In our next episodes, we'll discuss each cause more in depth and explain how you can help. Stay tuned for our next podcasts. The second episode is going to be about the damage ships do to our marine habitats. The third episode is how that applies to us as humans and what is being done about it in the world. And in the fourth episode, we're going to show you how you can help.
And remember, take charge of your barge!
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2.
How far I'll go. Yeah. Shout out to this beach in Newport that we're not allowed to film on, but we're filming it anyway. Shout out to you, Miss Shook.
So let's heed the call of the Tidal Talk in every step, in every walk.